So we got the old outlet here. Get the hot coming in and out. So this is just like an intermediary one. So there's like one, it comes in and then goes back out. So got the one coming in, go back out, jumper to my new one, jumper to the outlet. Same thing with the ground and with the common. So I'll just jumping in and out of each other. And cut below where the baseboard was. Drilled holes through the studs. Ran the wire through the hole. And then comes back in here into the closet. And this is where the network rack's gonna go.